hey baby, good morning. How's your sleep? No, that's good. I'm glad you slept well. How's your how's your stomach doing? It's doing good. Mm. In your head. Is your head feeling okay? That's good, I'm glad. I'm glad your head's feeling okay. You were feeling really, really sick. You had this pounding headache, and I'm glad you feel a lot better, princess. No, sweetie. Can I get you anything? Anything whatsoever. Can I get you water, breakfast, anything you want? You want a purse? You want a Chanel purse? Birkin's bag? Anything you want, princess. Just let me know, okay? I see. You want me to cuddle with you? Yeah, I can cuddle with you. Still can't believe. I still can't believe that there's gonna be three of us. Me, you, and the baby. I know it's wild. I mean, I never thought I would ever get here. I never thought I would even be a father soon. I know it's crazy, but it's always been a dream of mine. And I know, baby, it's gonna be scary at first, you know? This is all new to you. It's all new to me too. But everything's gonna be okay, princess. I promise. The baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. But really, everything's gonna be okay because I'll always take care of you. And I'll always take care of the baby. Let me feel your belly. Skin is so smooth. I think I can feel the baby moving. I think I can. I think that was a kick. Wow. I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents soon. I know. We're gonna have a family. No, sweetie. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. You don't have to worry, okay? You really don't. You're gonna be a good mother. You're gonna be a great mother, okay? I know. I know that you're gonna be a good mother. Well, number one, you're just so caring. Number two, you're just so loving. 3, you're just so nurturing. And that's why I think you're gonna be such a good mother. You're gonna be perfect, okay? So don't worry. You don't need to worry, okay? Everything's gonna be fine. Of course, sweetie. I mean, I think I'm gonna be a great father. I do, you know. I'm gonna, love the baby. I'm gonna love you. I'm always gonna be there for our baby and teach her child stuff and, and I'll learn as I go, obviously. But yeah, I think I'll be a great father. I know that I'll always love you and the baby. You guys will always be my number one. You guys will. I promise. I remember. I remember when I first saw you. And I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. I was so scared. I was so scared to approach you. I was nervous. But I'm glad I did. And when you gave me a number, I was shocked and excited at the same time. And when we went on our first day, I fell madly in love with you. I really did. I still remember. And I still remember what you wore. I remember the perfume you were wearing. I can still smell it today. You were just so kind, so caring, so nurturing. And that day I knew you were the one that I wanted to spend my life with. And here we are now. We're gonna have a family together. I know it's such a wild journey, but I'm glad. I'm glad I get to spend this journey with you. I love you so much, sweetheart. Oh, sweetie, the baby's kicking. Yeah, it's kicking kind of hard. Okay. Let me go grab that heated water bottle for you, okay? So we can put it on your belly. It'll make you feel better. sweetie. Got you that heated water bottle for your belly. Here, let me put it on your belly. There you go. Doesn't that feel better, sweetie? Of course, baby, I'll do anything for you. I'll do anything for you and the baby. Here, let me cuddle. Let me cuddle with you. Come here close. Come here close. Just like that. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. I'm serious. Your eyes are really something special. And I'm not just telling you this to impress you or anything. I'm not. I mean, your eyes, they sparkle. Especially when you talk about something you love. They really do sparkle. I mean, it can be kind of distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those beautiful eyes? I mean, I get lost in them all the time, I do. Especially when the light hits your eyes just right. It makes your eyes glow. Gives it this unique beauty. But honestly, sweetie, you should be really careful with eyes like those. You might steal someone's heart without even trying. In your lips. I mean, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You really do. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. When you smile, it lights up the whole room. It's like everything fades away but me and you. And I feel so lucky to be here with you. And when you speak, I could listen to you for hours. Your voice combined with the way your lips move just mesmerizes me. It makes everything you say feel so special. Your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness in them. It makes it comforting to be close to you. I mean, sweetheart, you're amazing inside and out. And your lips are just, a part of it. And your hair. I just love brushing your hair behind your ears like this. I mean, your hair is beautiful, sweetie.